Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making the vegan banana fritters. Hope you enjoy. Crush and mash the bananas with a fork. Add half a flour into the mixture and then stir. Stir the mixture until all the flour is fully blended. First thing we're going to do is heat the pan on a medium heat. Add oil into the pan and leave to heat. Today I'll be using vegetable oil, however you can also use olive oil. Once the oil is hot, drop tablespoons of batter in at a time. Leave it to fry until lightly golden brown around the edges. Once the fritters have become golden brown around the edges, flip the fritters onto the other side. However, be careful not to burn yourself. Once crispy and brown, remove the cooked fritters. Remove the fritters onto a plate with some kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. Once this is done, carry out the same process again for the remaining batter. When you are finished frying all the batter, the fritters are ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you soon.